Alright guys, we're back out here at the range. I don't know if you can see what's going on, but it's raining, but you know what? Got my case today, so if it ain't raining, it ain't training, right? So for now, just kind of finishing sighting in my AR, making sure it's on target, and as long as it doesn't get too terribly bad, maybe we'll do some fun stuff, I don't know. But I'll throw you guys in the case and get to shooting. Almost forgot my ears. So, as you can see, it's gotten pretty bad. I don't really know where those hit. Whatever. I'm still gonna shoot. So, we're just gonna run through some drills. We'll throw this guy out there and do some pistol stuff, some control pairs with rifles, things like that. And we're just gonna do it from right here under the cover. I was gonna do a lot more fun stuff, but yeah. Catch you guys back in a minute. Alright, so first drill that we're going to do, we're going to run with the AK. I'm not reloading out of my rig here. I'm just doing it as if I were just walking around, or kind of nightmare scenario or whatever. And I just grabbed my AK and I had a mag in my pocket. That's how I would do it. I probably wouldn't be rolling around in this unless I had plates. So until I get some plates, then I'm just going to do it the way I'm doing it right now. Just reloading with a mag in my back pocket. And yes, I said we're doing the AK first, but that's what I'm going to do with my AR while we are waiting. Let it get in there. I don't know why I'm doing that, but I'll throw you guys in the case here real quick, and we'll get out shooting. FNX 45 from the holster. about that little flip there. And I am just having all sorts of bad luck right now. Starts raining. I don't know. So I had this whole idea in my head of what I wanted to do today, and I don't know. It just got kind of screwed with this rain. But I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna shoot for you guys. I wanted to do kind of a AR versus AK thing, but I don't know. I guess I'm not gonna do that now. I'm just gonna do some shooting. I'll put some rounds through the Colt. Put a few more rounds through the AK. I brought out that Chinese mag again. Hopefully it works this time. I believe I bent it out in a way that it should work. So I'm gonna load up some mags. I'll do some Colt for you, and then do the AK again. I'll probably just call it a day then. Getting hot and wet, and I don't know. Motivation's going down. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so we got the Colt 1991 loaded up. Got 3 mags, one 8-rounder, one 7-rounder, and then this nice 10-rounder. I'm about to throw you guys in the case. We'll go ahead and shoot at our buddy over there that hopefully he doesn't fall down again. But yep. Oh, as you can see, I got an upgrade for it. Don't think I put this out on my video about it, but it's got the full-length guide rod on it, with the upgraded spring. That's really about it, honestly. But yeah, let me throw you guys in the case. We'll go shoot it. I'm not really trying to do anything cool with it, but just put some rounds on target. That's all. Get in there. Like I said, nothing cool, just putting some rounds on target. The 7-rounder Colt mag. Like she's doing alright, shooting pretty accurately. Fully functioning with this new guide rod in. I hope you guys can hear what I'm saying. I don't know if you can or not with it being in the case. Here we go. So Alright, so if you were with me last week, it didn't show up on camera because the way this was angled, but you definitely heard it with the, I was shooting the AK. It was right after I had the problems with that magazine. Um, well, I came back right about here. I charged it back to make sure it was clear, and then when I let it go, it had stuck all the way back, and I tapped it forward. The freaking top cover came off, and I'm sure you guys, if you know your stuff, you probably know what happened there. So I had charged it all the way back here, and it had gotten stuck. So that's when I made the decision to not do, not shoot the AK any further that day. Now, what had happened was, now the rain's picking up again. If you see on the bolt carrier, it's getting, the dovetail is getting smashed in by that freaking hammer. So what I did earlier today before I came out here to fix that was I freaking just took my Dremel to it and ground it off a little bit. So it seems to be working fine. It's not getting stuck all the way back anymore. Hopefully it doesn't continue doing that and getting worse and worse. Hopefully, I'm hoping that it'll just stay where it is now. So that's what that issue was last week. Man, it's starting to pick up again. Well, I hope all that got caught on camera. Yeah. I'll finish off my my AR ammo, and I'm gonna call it a day because it's not motivating. Alrighty, we got like 20 rounds. Just gonna blow through them real quick, and we'll call it a day. Since it is raining quite bad out there, I'm gonna throw you guys in the case. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk and shoot. There's I don't know if you guys can see that out there, but there's a little white target right about there. Just gonna shoot at that. Well, I plan on using that. I'm gonna pick that up and take it home so I can have something to hold targets with. I don't know. That's money I gotta spend on something to hold targets. So let's go get wet. Well, thank y'all for joining me out here on this lovely afternoon. Man, I wish I really could have done what I wanted to do. It was gonna be pretty cool, but yeah, it's pretty nasty out there right now. So maybe next week. Need to buy some more freaking 7.62 though. I shot the last of it today. So, but as always, appreciate y'all coming out here. Like and subscribe if you like my channel. Leave a comment. I can take criticism. Very, very good. So feel free to be as harsh as you want. I don't care. Anyway, thanks for coming out. Stay safe out there and have fun.